Xfinity 5 GHz Wi-Fi drops are a common issue, especially in crowded areas. The main reasons include outdated router firmware, interference from other devices, and DFS channel switching. DFS is a technology required by the FCC that scans for radar signals and forces your router to change channels if radar is detected, causing a temporary disconnection. A quick fix is to update your Xfi Gateway's firmware via the Xfinity app or web portal. Many recent updates specifically address 5 GHz stability. Also, try rebooting your router. If basic fixes don't work, manually adjust your 5 GHz channel. The 5 GHz band has channels, some DFS compliant and some not. Non-DFS channels, 36 to 48 in the US, are often more stable as they don't require radar scanning. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app like Wi-Fi Analyzer to check for less congested channels. Log into your Xfi Gateway settings and manually select a non-DFS channel. Minimize interference by placing your router in a central, elevated location, away from microwaves and other electronics. Consider Xfinity's Xfi pods for a mesh network to distribute the load and stabilize your connection, especially if you have many devices.